Just here to catch you up on how the markets have opened this Wednesday morning. And they've opened a little bit weak, but the context, of course, is that global markets, equity markets, are a tad weak. You had the US markets close in the red yesterday, and crude oil prices have been trending higher. In fact, Brent crude is currently trading above the $85 per barrel mark. The Asia Pacific region also looking a little bit soft today, and so it's no surprise that the Nifty 50 is currently trading about 0.5% lower at 17,942. The Sensex still trading above the 60,000 mark. From the broader markets, the mid-cap index, which outperformed the benchmark yesterday, is trading with cuts of about 0.1%, but the small-cap index trading with gains of about 0.4%. Now, I'm looking at some of the contributors to the Nifty 50's move today, and right on top of the screen you have the likes of UPL that's gaining about 2.5%, Mahindra and Mahindra on the back of its earnings and on the back of commentary from brokerages. They seem to be confident about the pipeline for the company going forward, and that stock is up as much as 1.5%. Eicher, Britannia, Cipla, Sun Pharma, ONGC, some of the other gainers, but those gainers are fewer than the declines today on the Nifty 50 at least. You have the losers that are led by the steel companies, Tata Steel as well as JSW Steel, losing about 2.5% in trade today. Coal India, Hindalco bringing up the list. So quite a few metals and metal related counters losing ground in trade today. ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, and in fact quite a few of the financials. So HDFC, which was the largest loser, has now clawed back some ground, but it's still losing about 1.4%. Kotak down about 1.2% as well. From the broader markets, point out MCX, that's gaining about 3.5%. Aurobindo, that's about 3% higher. UPL, L&T Finance, Bandhan Bank all gaining in trade. Among the losers, you have BHEL, Bosch that are losing ground, as well as SAIL, which is part of the metal pack. Now, what are the factors that you have to watch out for? Of course, there's the listing of Nykaa, which is something that everybody's paying attention to. It's any minute now. And the other thing, of course, is going to be a continuation of the earnings. No Nifty companies today, but interesting names from quite a few sectors. So you have the likes of Pidilite, you have Berger Paints, you have Bank of Baroda from the PSU banking pack, you have India Cements, and you have Zomato. So clearly it's quite an interesting mix of earnings to look forward to, and the commentary from those managements is possibly going to indicate how things are going to look for the rest of this financial year. A diverse set of results to look forward to. It's looking a tad bit soft, of course, on the back of global cues, and seemingly a few names are looking strong on the back of news points. Overall, though, market breadth continues to be in favor of the advances. Over 1,000 shares gaining on the NSE, and that compares with 736 declines at this moment. Let's see how it pans out.